My name is Ben De Silva. I'm 64 years old and from Mumbai, India. I am a hypnotherapist and an NLP trainer and also an advocate and a published author. Somewhere in January 2017, I was down with very high fever. This fever had caused problems with my eyesight. My eyesight had gone dim. I could see floaters at the corner of my eyes even when it was daylight, and at night I could see flashes of bright light in any dark area. Then in February 2017, I had this surge of high blood pressure. On one particular day, the blood pressure measured 120 by 190. Subsequent to this surge, my eyes were badly affected. My eyesight had gone dim. It had become hazy. I visited several doctors, including some ophthalmologists, and they prescribed some medicines which somehow did not appear to work. My hazy eyesight persisted. Then I read about Saffron 2020. I ordered Saffron 2020 over the internet and started a course for 90 days. In the first 2 weeks, my eyesight had totally cleared. I continued taking the medication for 90 days, and then at the end of the course, I went to visit the very same ophthalmologists who had checked my eyesight. They were surprised. They were surprised that my eyesight had in fact improved, got better than the previous time, got better than what it was much before. And for all this, I can only say thank you to Saffron 2020. I would recommend Saffron 2020 to anybody who wishes to improve his eyesight. My eyesight has improved to such an extent that I can today read a newspaper in daylight. Thank you, Saffron 2020.